Hello everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to make your audience only friends in Facebook. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, open Facebook app. Click on the three horizontal lines in the top right corner. Go to Settings and Privacy. Then click on Settings option once again. Here, click on Default Audience Settings option. Now you'll just have to select Friends option. This option allows only your friends to see what you share. Even if you create a public post, only your friends can view and comment on it. Now click on Next button. And if you're sure, click on Confirm option. Lastly, click on the Done option. And that is how you can make your audience only friends in Facebook. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.